Hey y'all, if this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, my name is Janiece and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a new, recent, or return subscriber, hey girl, hey, how you doing? Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I'm happy to have you. Now, today in this video, I want to show you what we did to our office, our home office. As you know, guys, I have a home office that I work from home from every day, and it's just a little, it's not cute at all, honestly. When I start working from home, I just put some stuff together just to be able to work from home, basically. And I never took the time to really decorate this room or make it nice. As you can see, I got my YouTube clothes in here. This is a wall, and it's a small room. This is not a big room at all. I have my computers and my desk is here. Have, some pictures and some, a printer. And I have a printer and like a little desk just to hold files and stuff. And then this is my light. And then this is the window in this room. So this is how the room looks now. And we're planning on making it look really, really nice. I'm hoping that I'm able to do that. So stay tuned. I will take you through the process of us changing our office. If this is something you're interested in, please stay tuned. Moment I wake up, before I put on my makeup. Okay, y'all, so this is where we at now. We done moved this couch out the way, took all the window fixtures down, took all the pictures off the wall. And this is how it's looking so far. So we'll give you a full circle. Yep. Everything is a mess, so. But it's coming together, we'll see. Okay, y'all, so now y'all see, we done took the curtains down. We get stuff together, took all the pictures off the wall. And this is how it's looking so far. Okay, so Eric is patching up the holes where the TV was. We're thinking about not putting the TV back up because I never really turned it on. So why have it here? But this is how it's looking so far. It's just an empty room, but a lot of holes in the wall from the from this rack right here. But yes, so now we are just patching up the holes and getting everything together. So I kind of want to do like a happy color for the paint, and I'm thinking like one of these purples, maybe like this one. I don't know. I'm thinking about it, but let's just see what color goes up on the wall. Y'all saw it was a purple couch in there, so keep that in mind. Okay, so Eric is sanding.
Sanding holes, and I patched up.
Okay, so as y'all can see, this is the color that's going on the wall. I'm kind of scared, y'all. I'm scared. We're going to see what's going to happen. What you think, Eric?
I like it.
So we're going to see. So far, this is the color that's going on the wall. Yep. So that's the update. So we'll be back, y'all. The paint is all up. It looks a mess in here, but yep, the paint looks pretty good. Honestly. I'm not mad at the purple. Yeah, I'm not mad at the purple. Eric picked it out. I wanted a real faint, like light purple. But Eric was like, oh, let's try this one. And I just went with it, but we're going to see in the end. Okay, y'all. So it is the next day, and I'm over it already. So you see the top here? Let me just show you. Yeah, this top here. We had to tape all that up and paint over again. Oh, I don't see how y'all be doing all this DIY stuff. But so far, yeah, we have to tape it all up and paint it over again. Okay, so now Eric is about to frame the windows. So as you can see, he's like putting this wood up to frame the windows, because I don't know if you guys know this, but we bought this house brand new. Like, we picked everything, we got it built, and we didn't know that trim did not come on windows. Now, we've been here for a while, we just never got around to doing this room. We trimmed like most of our windows already, like downstairs and most of the ones upstairs. This is just like the last room, even though we've been here for about 13 years. It took us some time to get around to it, but yeah, so we're about to frame the window. I mean, it's not something that's needed. I think it's just cosmetically looks better. So we're gonna frame the windows now, and that's the part we're on. Okay, y'all, so this is how it is looking now. We still have this couch here, which is staying. I'm trying to get the couch. We still have this couch, which is staying, and then let me fix this. Okay, hey y'all, so we have finished the windows. The windows were a lot of work because we had to sand everything down, screw it, nail it, put it up, and it probably still need like another coat, because I can see like some little bit of stuff. You probably can't see it from here, but I can kind of see it. But this is how it is looking now. It looks good in here so far. It's just an empty room. We still have this purple couch, which is staying. I love this little lounge couch in this room, so it will be staying here. And so we still working on it. We still working on the room, but I will say that it's coming along. And this is day 2 of doing this room. So I mean, like I told y'all, Eric chose the color. I'm still not like 100% excited about the color, but I do want to see how everything's gonna come along. Okay, we'll be back, y'all. Okay, so it has been a minute since I have checked back in, but we didn't put the desk up. If I can show y'all, this digi be tripping. Here it is. Okay, so it's been a minute since we didn't checked in, but we got the desk together. So this is the desk that I chose. It still got the numbers on it. I got it off Amazon. And then this is the chair. And this is the chair that I ordered. So kind of a nice look. So the desk looks very little on camera, but it's actually not that small. And so does the chair. Let me pull the chair out so you can really see the desk. So this is the desk off Amazon. It looks small, but I think it's 60 inches. So it's not as small as it looks for some reason, but it's gonna be nice and perfect. Cause like I said, this is a small room. This room is like made for either an office or like if you had a baby, like a nursery. So it's very small. So far, this is what we have done. I haven't checked in a minute because we were putting this desk together. It wasn't hard to put together. On Amazon, they said that it was like really hard to put together. It wasn't that bad. And I like the chair with the gold arms and the gold legs, also from Amazon. So we're still working on it, but let's see. Nothing is up against the window. This window looks so small in here. Like that window is huge. This is a huge window. It looks really small. But yeah, so this is how the room is looking. No pictures on the wall, nothing, but I'm still working on it. Okay, y'all, so we have our first picture up on the wall. Disregard this light. I just got a light in here until the rest of my stuff come because I'm still waiting for stuff from Amazon. But I did put this picture on the wall. What y'all think of it? I don't know. In this video, like in this frame, it does look kind of small, but it's not that small. You know how things look on camera. Sometimes it looks smaller, but I like it. But I don't know if I love it. But we're gonna see how I'm invested now. So we're gonna see how everything comes together when I finish but that's what I got so far. So most of my stuff is slowly coming in, some of the things that I bought. And this is one of the window curtain rods that I bought. I thought it was cute. So it has like a gold rod, and at the top it has this like clear
Look, it looks like it's glass, but I don't believe it's glass. I will have to open it up to see. But this is the window treatment that I have so far. So I'm gonna put this up on the window soon. Well, Eric is soon, and then we'll see how that looks. So I already put my bookshelf up, but I'm not ready to show y'all that part yet. But I have this bulky printer, and the printer has to be here because I mean, when we print stuff out, this is like the real office that we come in to print stuff. So this is not only my work office, it's also like if Eric needs to print and mail something out, you know, we come to this printer. Or if he needs to print anything, he'll come to this printer. It's not hooked up to my work computer. It's actually hooked up to my laptop, which is right in there. But it's so bulky, so I don't know. Should I get rid of it? Is it cramping my style in my office? But it's like, but it is functional, so we have to use it. It's not like it's just there for decoration. So, but it probably have to stay. Okay, y'all, so I am officially done with this room, and now I want to show y'all the final reveal. So this is the room. This is how it looks. And this is it. So, and this is just with those two lights on there. I'm gonna turn on the lamp and then I'll show you guys everything. So it makes it a lot brighter in here. So let me go back and show y'all how it looks with the full light on. So this is how it's looking. And let's just go through everything. So first of all, this lamp, I end up getting this from Home Goods. Regular price for this lamp was $129, and it had a clearance mark of $65 on it. So this is the lamp. I wanted to show you the bottom. So it's a really nice lamp. Cute. The desk, let me go down some. I got the desk from Amazon along with the chair. Everything that's on the desk, I already had, like this little notepad keeper. I had that. Now I did just buy this mouse pad, this lavender mouse pad. I just bought that, so that's new, but you can get that on Amazon too, and I'll link everything in the description box below. Now then we get to this plant. I had this for a long time. I believe my daughter gave me that for Christmas, this plant. I have a lot of fake plants in my house because it's hard for me to keep real plants. So, and this is what's on the shelf. I hate that this printer is here, but we need a printer to print out things. So it has to be in this office, and then it has two drawers. So that is how that looks. This is the middle. Let me go up some. So this is how it looks in the middle with the two racks. Then I got this vanity desk. The vanity desk has two drawers, and it came with a chair. It was about, my Digi is acting crazy. So this vanity desk with two drawers, and it has a little chair that came from Amazon as well. And I love that it's white and gold. Inside the drawers, I'll show you this one. I have like a lot of makeup in here because I'll probably do my makeup at this desk. And then also here, some makeup. I got this mirror. And it's really nice, from Amazon. Okay, so this is the light, and this is the different settings that it has. So it has a cool, a warm, and then off. So that's how it looks. It's on it. I know y'all can see me with my pajamas in the frame, but that's the table. And then here I have another plant. I have this king or queen, I think it's a king, king lion, that I got from Ross, actually only for $9.99. So I got that. I had this for a long time. I always had that at my desk. And here's where I got to keep all my perfume. I'm going perfume fanatic, y'all. Let me tell y'all about some of my favorites. Of course, Baccarat is my favorite, but I like the this is the only parfum, and I have the A Straight, which is this one, which smells much better. I have Tom Ford. This is one of my favorites too. I love this Valentino Coral. I love this one. This Bond Chinatown. I love that for the fall. So some of my good scents. I love Yara Candy too. I love that. It has a sweet scent, but that's some of my perfumes. I don't have all of them over here. I have more. And then down here, I just have a fake flower again. Fake flowers make your house look pretty to me, or flowers really, but I do fake, so because I don't have time to be replacing them all the time. And then this little gold fox. And then down here, I just have a jewelry box. And then there's 2 drawers there. So then I'm gonna turn on this side, and on this side, I have a picture. Not a picture. It's like a geometric frame, I guess you can say, and it's see-through. But it has like different squares. I thought it was interesting. And then I have the couch here. So let me see if I can put both of those in the frame. Yeah, there's the couch. Now the couch I had for a long time. It's a very, very, very well-made velvet couch. I had it for years. It's absolutely beautiful. I would never trade it in. And that's the reason why we kind of went with the purple on the wall. This is not the color purple I picked. Eric picked this color. You probably saw that earlier in the clip. I was going to go with a lighter purple. But actually it worked out fine. This little table, I thought that was a good touch because I wanted to kind of lighten the couch up. It was so dark. So I ended up putting this little stand with it, and you know, you can have coffee or eat on it. And then I also put a throw blanket just in case you want to lay down and you're getting cold. And then I changed the pillows out because they came with a bunch of pillows like this dark purple velvet. It was a circle one and like a long one. I wanted to brighten up the couch, so I ended up putting a lavender pillow and then a golden white pillow. Lavender pillow I got from TJ Maxx. Light pillow I got from Target. So that's it. The only thing left is the carpet. Now, honestly, with the carpet. Okay, so honestly with the carpet, I'm not sure if I want to keep this carpet here. I mean, I have it now, but I don't know if I want to keep it in here because I don't know. I'm not 100% pleased with it, but I just have to see if I still love it. But this is the office. Small office. I forgot to tell you the curtains are, and then I love okay, so I absolutely love the railing of the carpet. I absolutely love the curtain railing. I think that's so cute. And I got the curtains, which are white and gold. I got those from Amazon too. And I just put 2 here. I don't have more than that. I didn't want it to be more because I wanted to let the room, let me go down some. I wanted to kind of let the room just, you know, be open with that natural lighting coming through the blinds. So that's what I wanted. So this is the room here, and those lights up there, I forgot to tell you. These lights up here came from Amazon. So a lot of this stuff came from Amazon. But this is the room. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's so cute. I think it's so bright now. And let me do a before. This is the room before. I'll put in a picture. And this is the room after. So much of a big, big, big difference. Let me try to get a shot from over here. I'm by the doorway now. But yeah, this is how it looks. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what y'all think in the comment box below. Tell me, did I do a good job on my office? And I forgot to tell y'all, I have 3 monitors here. I have to have 3 monitors for work. Of course, I'm not going to turn that on. And then I have my laptop here, which I really don't never use the laptop, to be honest, because I'm working. So it's like, I don't have time to open it to do anything else. And then up here, I have a little sign, which I thought was cute. It just says, "Hello, gorgeous," with a little heart. So I put that there. I was thinking about putting something else on the wall, just something small. Yes, this is the room. Hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comment box below what you feel about it. And that's it. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe for good vibes because we have good vibes over here. Thank y'all so much and have a good day. Bye-bye.